Guys, they made it into the new year. Watch them now. Hey, welcome back to another vlog. It's Friday, baby. Happy Friday to all my subscribers and also my viewers. Hey, viewers are full time on the subscribe and I can watch my video more than one time. Yeah, guys, girl, hello, now your backside, hello. Yeah, somebody has struggled to take off the new year sheet off of the bed. Yeah, watch me have a little fun with it now. I say no, so sheets down from bed. So, guys, so if it not dry in time, I gotta just put on my old sheet them on the bed. Yeah, guys. How is it y'all liking my new intro and also that little beep beep just yeah, that's my new subscriber intro. Come and let me know if you like it.
I just changed. You just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you.
And I just can't do this no more. I know I deserve it more. I can't do this no more. I don't know what he wants. Time can only tell how long I'm innocent. My eyes can only tell when I'm thinking something. Like how good we might be together. Like how I could see it forever. But if you don't think so, then let me know. I'll go back to how I thought before. Leave me hanging any longer and I might go crazy. I don't know what he wants from me. I offered him all of me. I don't know what he
Guys, they made it into the new year. Watch them now. Say they look for me. Can you hear me now? Yeah, as I was saying, guys, I just done my showed my new year sheets. Yeah, eat some food. after the liquor washing, I put back some strength in my body. So I eat boiled dumpling with yam, Irish, liver, and it's a bean. Okay, so no guys, and I did not cook. I'm just consuming for today. And this one piece of pear, you know, I'm gonna eat pear, guys.
Hey, up all night and we gon' slide. Up all night and we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Baby, we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, you cross. Going on, baby. Talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Did I make a mistake and I can't concentrate while you're standing there naked? Acting strange, yeah. Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 My intuition has been telling me. Trust what you said to me.
Guys, how have you you been enjoying your new year so far? What are the new things that you have been doing? You know, or what's been happening with you guys? Leave your comments in the comment section, alright? Yeah. So if you reach so far in my video, make sure to subscribe, guys, and share the video. I wash up them, yeah? Kind of fast. I guys with a scare, but with a slow water. Water on slow, man. No little pressure, no little nothing, so. I'll try to make sure I work with the soul water, I can't work with it. But I'm gonna try for the Safi. We're good. Ah boy. Don't worry about the thing. Cause every little thing gon' be alright. Rise up this morning, smiling at the rising sun. 3 little birds round my doorsteps, singing sweet songs to a melody that's pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Hear that, guys? Every little thing gonna be alright. Doesn't matter what you're going through in your life, it will pass. Just like every other problem before, the problems you're stressed or whatsoever, it will pass. So singing, don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing will be alright. Rise up this morning, smiling at the rising sun. 3 little birds by my doorsteps, singing sweet songs to a melody that's pure and true. This is my message to you. It must have broke your poor little eyes when the boys used to say you look better in the dark. But you were beautiful to me. You had a heart that nobody could see. I just usually sing the part where you know. Understand? I was tired of my lady, so I went to the bar. If I pina colada, get caught in the rain. If you're not into yoga, have a brain. And pina colada is one of my favorite songs. It's also one of my favorite drinks, pina colada with rum. If you like pina colada, get caught in the rain. Yo, enjoy my singing though. Let me know in the comment section. Honestly, I feel like we can get a feature on the Rising Star. Eh? What do you think? Comment. Ready, say, ready for Rising Star? When I feel like when I get through with Anthony being up on Rising Star, guys, what do you think?
Life is too short to live alone when there's someone.
When God distributed singing talent, He completely avoided you. And it's the truth. There's nothing there.
Turn your lights down low. Here we go. Ooh, I wanna give you some good loving.